Hi, if you ever get your chance to get your hands on one of these, you should jump at it. It is a Smartboard. Bit difficult to show you the whole thing, but it was the rage in the UK during the sort of technology for schools spending programme that the government ran. Everybody was putting these in. Now, after sort of a few years, they're coming to the end of their life and they've been discovered to be actually pretty useless. People are ripping them out and skipping them. I come across these probably, I don't know, about half a dozen a month or something like that. And whenever I see them, I grab them because they are just awesome in terms of the materials that are in there that we can use. Because of course what they basically are is one great big touch sensor. Now we're going to take this apart so you can have a look at it and see what we can actually do with it. It's dead easy. All we have to do is flip it over and there's a few screws on the back. This is just plastic trim held on with self-tappers all along the way there. So you just undo the self-tapping screws. So once you've actually undone the screws, these plastic bits just pull off actually. And we're left with the actual board itself. Okay, so this is the back where the fixing points are, and if you flip it over, that's the front. Now when you took that plastic off, you'll have seen some sticky tape, actually masking tape, hiding some wires. You just peel off the tape, peel out the wires, and you'll see there's a little connection point here. You get yourself a carpet knife, pop it into the connection point, and just slice down. You don't have to be too careful with this. Just remove that top cover by putting the knife between the plastic top layer and the backing piece. And when you've done that, this top layer will just remove and you'll see it's black. This white bit is a little bit of plastic you draw on, and this is conductive plastic. So it's just immensely useful. That conductive plastic goes to a contact strip here. That contact strip is what reads the resistance across. So save that because we can use that for batteries. That'll be an awesome material for making battery pouches. And then what you'll see is a black surface here. What this is an aluminium honeycomb coated again with a black plastic filled with carbon that's amazingly conductive. So, here's a section of it. This is an aluminium honeycomb, and it's what this whole sheet is. This whole sheet is a layer of aluminium on the top coated with white plastic, which was the reverse. Then we've got our black conductive plastic that is coated onto an aluminium honeycomb. So it's very rigid, very flat and very strong. So this can be used as a construction material for a whole ton of things. And here we have an aluminium protected by a conductive plastic coating. Talk about the ideal battery electrode. So these things here are just astonishingly useful. So if you find one, strip it down, keep it. You're going to get a lot of use from it. We're going to use this actually in constructing our wind turbine. Anyway, I thought I'd do a breakdown just to show you what was in these things and how useful the parts were. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it was helpful.